I fixed the volume problem, so I apologize about that. I had to go in here and tinker with it, and then I found that it was down, like more than halfway down. I'm in a different room in my house. It's actually the back house. And yeah, so the volume is fixed. I don't have much to say right now. I've been working a lot, trying to raise money. Trying to get money enough to get some hot water. Yeah, so I got some that. I'm looking forward to taking a shower. I restrung my guitar. I got it going a little bit there. So I apologize about the volume. It will be. See, there's one more video coming up that it's kind of low. There was like 3 videos that I did that it was kind of low, and I could tell when I was trying to edit it.
Hi, baby. Oh, I just love her so much. She's so great. I'm just kidding.
Pussy Willow. Oh. So yeah, I'm in the back house. Is my studio. You can see my drums in the back, and this is the fireplace here. There's a fire going in it. And that's where I am now. I think I'm going to be recording here for a while. And I'm kind of going to be cleaning up the house and maybe renting it out. But I'm not looking forward to any of that unless I do better meditation and find good people, right? There are good people on the planet. But then again, no, I mean, just be selfless, kind of, well, good friends, that understand it's a rustic situation and make do with what you got there. I think it could be, because it's in the mountains, it could be a different situation where people understand that, well, just make it work, okay? And be careful, don't get a splinter. Anyway, it's been very difficult for me for an entire month, but I think I'll see a little bit of leeway. I'm hoping to just erase some of the stuff that's going on. As you heard me trying to talk about some of it, and apparently I got nowhere with it, right, because the volume is down. But then again, I think that if you really wanted to hear it, you just put your earphones on. But no, it was down, and I bet you anything it's a lot better now. I mean, you can hear the room echoing and stuff. Pardon my look. I've been working all day, kind of working it. I feel great, even though that I do have some health issues still. It's crazy. So, but it's just sliding in where I have medical insurance, but you have to be careful with that, right? You're not going to heal anybody, anything that really you have to heal yourself. You have to be very careful. Do not start taking pharmaceuticals, right? So anyway, thanks for listening. Thanks for listening, when it was down, the volume. Here, maybe I'll play you a tune here in the background. I've got my guitar. I've always had this guitar. The problem with it is that the neck, for some reason, the neck is coming apart on the damn thing. It's tuned down to D right now, so that means it's got open tuning. You have to pardon me, I haven't practiced on this guitar very. Not my guitar. Usually when I know it's my guitar, when it plays me. Donate something out that I can see. Donate something now that I am free. We can change the world if they only fucking knew. I'm actually a really good musician. This guitar, not so much. Have a nice day.